Hi beautiful people, welcome back again. Yes, so in today's video I'm going to be preparing this Zobo drink. Easy Zobo drink. These are the ingredients I'm using. You see my lime, and this is my ginger, and this is my flavor. With this you don't need sugar, and this is the flavor I'm going to be using, and this is the Zobo leaf itself. Yes, so guys, now I'm adding my water to my pot. Yes, preparing this. Then after that, I'm going to bring my Zobo leaf, remove those things, those dirty. You see all this one now. We don't need all this one inside. Remove them. So this is what I'm doing, and then after this, I'm going to add my water. Yes, very, very necessary. You have to rest it. You don't just need to put it like that. Because in this we have some sand, so it is better you have to wash it because this is something it so you have to wash it, and then I'm going to put it in the filter. Uh-huh. Then I'm going to add it into my pots. You see? I'm going to add it into my pot so it should be cooking. Then while that is there, this is my ginger to scrape, remove all the removable, and then slice it to a very little pieces. Yes. Don't mind me, it was laziness. Normal, I'm supposed to blend it, guys. But I decided to do it like this, and then this is my lime. I'm still going to cut them into a little pieces, so and now I'm going to add them all together to cook with the Zobo drink. Guys, this drink is very, very nice for those that want to lose fat. Oh guy, in fact, this is the remedy for losing of fat. Hmm. You don't need to go for cola. Just take this, and then you will see what I'm saying. As you saying, this is what I'm doing. I'm checking if something is ready, and it's ready. So I have to filter it. Yes, this is you have to remove it, filter it, and then for me, nothing will remain. I have to take extra water to rest it very well. This is the Zobo himself. Now I'm going to add my flavor by adding the make sure you mix it very well, mix it together so everything will rhyme, everything will mix as it was, as it's supposed to be. You understand? You understand? I believe you understand. Oh my god. Hey, see Zobo drink. See Zobo drink. Zobo drink is ready. It's ready to be taken away. If you have little can you can put, but I just want to put it here. It's ready. After this, put it inside the refrigerator and it will cold. Then ready to, oh my god. It's ready to take. It's ready to be enjoyed. Enjoy it with any snacks of your choice. You guys, please hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, drop down your comment, share. It will love. Oh my god. Please share with love. One love keep us together. We are going to see in our next video. Bye.